Hello, tuloy lang natin, no? So, March 11 na tayo. Laundry work done during the week amounted to 15,000, of which 12,000 was received in cash and 3,000 was owed to the business by Hotel California. So, meron tayong na-receive na cash. Increase in asset, magkano? 12,000. Then, ang total na na-earn na income ay 15,000. So, meron pang 3,000. Ano ang de-debit dito? Asset account na receivable or accounts receivable. Gayin natin yung pangalan ng debtor. So, ang credit natin ay income account, credit, nag-increase. So, services, income, 15,000. Yung total niya. Explanation, to record, cash sales, and account. Kasi natin to. Kasi isa lang ang for the week. Isa lang ang customer. Next, March 12 wages paid for the week amounted to 6,000. So, wages, debit, salaries, expense, 6,000. Kasi nag-increase yung expense account Paid, so, credit, cash. Decrease in asset cash. To record wages para pareho na lang. Payment of wages for the week. Okay. Save lagi para pag naman nakasave ang trabaho. March 14, Hotel California paid the amount owed. Kasi may utang sila, di ba? So, itong debit account, debit na sa Hotel California, i-close mo na yan kasi bayad na So, naka-receive tayo ng cash. Magkano yung utang nila? 3,000. Then, credit. Na-reduce na yung accounts receivable, yung pautang. Bayad na lahat. Hotel California. Explanation, to record all election of receivable. March 18. Tuloy ko ito kasi bus ng oras muna ha. Okay, thank you.